Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volvo XC60. It's the D4. Good specifications. This is diamond black. Front park distance control. Lovely diamond cut alloy wheels. Privacy glass to the rear. Got parking sensors, camera. It's the R design, so you've got the full R design body styling kit around it as well. And as you can see, it's in very nice condition. It's literally just arrived. It's not been polished or anything yet either. Can be prepped. It's got electric tailgate, parcel shelf. It's all in lovely condition. Full leather interior with white stitch piping, all in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats, sport seats, auto headlights. It's done 89,482 miles. Just start the car up. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, R design leather steering wheel. It is lovely. Air conditions, nice and cold. Really is. 6-speed gearbox, cup holders, centre armrest with an aux and a USB. What else have we got here? Satellite navigation, reverse camera with park distance control, Parktronic, media pack, DAB radio. Looks and drives absolutely excellent. At DJH provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.